some of the seasoning that I use. This is parsley. Then I put a little rosemary. I put my pepper, my hot pepper. I put a little, like 2 little leaves of bay leaf. I have a little piece of ginger, thyme, Italian seasoning. I combine this, I buy it and combine like 3 different Italian seasoning. And then this a little browning. I'm going to put a little tip of browning, not too much. Onion powder, garlic powder. This is an onion I'm going to grate her. And then I have my bell pepper. I have salt. I have Chinese sauce. And then I sometimes put a little tip, like a teaspoon of mushroom sauce. And you cannot cook this without having your butter bean. This is make it taste even good. And I'm going to have it with, you can have it with rice, white rice, your vegetable on the side if you're watching your weight. Whatever, you can have it with green bananas, whatever you want. I'm combining all my seasoning with my herbs. And this is how I do it. This is how I do it. This is how I do it. You see? You have to make all the seasoning touch all the meat. So you have to rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And then I'm going to marinate for like an hour. Or you can do this overnight. If you do it overnight, it will even taste nicer. But if you don't have the time, you make it marinate and stay seasoned before you cook, like for an hour. Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome everyone. Good evening. How are you? Is everybody feeling good? Yes, yes. That's what we're cooking today. We're cooking cow foot with a twist. Cow foot with a twist. Yes, if you look, I have my cow foot. But I also put some cow head in it. That is why it's a twist. You know, some people might gonna say, wow, what? Cow head? Yes, cow head. And some people gonna say, wow, that sounds good. It depends on what you like. And so it's a long time I haven't cooked this, like many years now. But I decided somehow that I'm gonna try this today and see how it tastes. I know it's gonna taste good because it looks good. If you look here, you see it's looking real lovely already. Real good. And what I'm gonna put in this, I'm gonna put some cornstarch. And I'm gonna put some cornstarch in here, which I mixed in cold water, like about 3 tablespoons. Just for it to get its thickness, I'm gonna add some cornstarch. And so I do this and I stir and I look if it's thick enough. If it's still watery, I'm gonna put some more cornstarch so that you can have some nice gravy and all on our white rice or mashed potatoes. I'm just gonna eat mine with some vegetable because it's a long time I haven't had cow head. And I'm gonna put a little more cornstarch like this and just mix it around. Just, oh, look how beautiful my meat is. Wow, I can't wait to eat some of this. Oh my gosh. And now I'm gonna put some beans. And I have 2 gentlemen here watching everything that I'm doing. I have my son and I have my son friend. You want to say hi, Joshua? Hi. Joshua want to say hi? Yes, my butter bean is in. It's looking good. All these goodness. Yes. I'm gonna enjoy this. My cow foot and cow head. It's so pretty. It's so delicious. I can't wait to eat this. Yeah. 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 Good. Good. Yeah. 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 subscribe and like and hit the notification bell on YouTube and follow us on Instagram so you don't miss the video like this one. Yeah.